Hey, my name is Matt Kahn. I'm an attorney with Butler Law Firm. Today, I want to talk with you about the importance of being truthful in your representations before the court, whether it's in your pleadings or oral argument or even a discussion in chambers. To illustrate and to start the discussion, I want to share a scene from one of my favorite legal movies, The Rainmaker, in which a defense lawyer catches a little bit of heat from a judge for telling a fib. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll talk about this scene.
Mr. Drummond, you've objected to the fast tracking of this case. What's the problem?
Well, Your Honor, this issue's already been ruled upon by Judge Hale. The preparations required, fast-tracking the case, place an undue burden on both parties, I believe.
Nonsense. Let me ask you something, Mr. Drummond. As a defense lawyer, have you ever agreed to the fast tracking of a lawsuit?
Well, Your Honor, I believe I have.
Fine. Give me the name of the case and the court it was in.
Well, Your Honor, I have to get back to you on that.
Well, call me this afternoon by 3.
I don't believe I'm going to be in before 3.
Well, call me when you get in. I'm very anxious to hear about this case you agreed to fast track.
Yes, sir.
This boy's about to die, gentlemen.
So in civil cases, there's a 6-month discovery period. So the plaintiff files a lawsuit and then the defendant files their answer. And then there's 6 months during which the parties can ask each other questions or depose witnesses. And so what the judge is talking about in this scene from Rainmaker is fast tracking a case for trial, meaning that they, shorten the discovery period and get the case before a jury sooner than 6 months. Typically, we see defense lawyers and insurance companies trying to do everything they can to delay cases. They seek discovery extensions. They come up with excuses to delay the discovery period, identifying witnesses at the last minute. And this scene from Rainmaker really illustrates the commonality of that.
You do agree that we need to record his testimony?
Yes, indeed. Of course, Your Honor. It's just my trial calendar is pushing me around pretty good.
Now here's another common problem that we deal with in trying to schedule depositions. Defense lawyers, especially insurance defense lawyers who are overworked and have too many cases, will routinely delay the taking of depositions and other critical events in cases by claiming that they're busy. But as you'll see here, this judge isn't having it.
How about next Thursday afternoon?
Great for me, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
That's a week from today.
I believe I'm out of town. Yes, I am out of town Thursday.
The deposition is set for next Thursday afternoon at 2 p.m. Sorry if it inconveniences the defense, but God knows there's enough of you guys to handle it. Now, what's next?
Oh, well, Your Honor, the motion to dismiss is still pending.
Oh, yes. That motion is denied. Well, I guess that's it.
Gentlemen, let's go. Congratulations on your appointment, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. And Mr. Drummond, don't forget to call me with the name of that case you agreed to fast track.
I'll look around.
So you've got to be really careful about representations you make to the court. This scene actually reminds me of a case that I had a long time ago. It was a hearing on a motion to compel, and really the ultimate issue is that the discovery responses were produced a little later than they were supposed to be. We had the hearing though, and the defense lawyer misrepresented a fact about when the responses were due and whether there was an extension that would have allowed them to serve the responses when they did. And the court realized that the defense lawyer was lying and struck the answer as a sanction for that lie. So it's really important to tell the truth in your pleadings and in hearings and meetings with the court.
You in over your head, son?
Absolutely.
Well, I hope this was educational. The Rainmaker is a great movie. If you haven't seen it, you should go out and give it a shot. And tune in to our YouTube channel for other educational videos and discussions about our cases.